Hello students, I welcome you to Eduno classes. We have already completed the basics of work and time, and today onwards we will solve questions that comes in exam very often on this topic. Students, I request you to please not leave this topic because it is very scoring, because it's asked in almost every exam, and most of the time, like 70 to 75% of the time, there are direct questions on this topic. Either they are direct formula based or direct unitary method based. You don't even have to think twice before attempting the question. So I suggest you to solve various types of question under this topics. There are hardly 6 to 7 types of question under this topic. We will solve them in this. This is pretty good question. A, B and C can do a piece of work in 20, 30 and 60 days respectively. In how many days can A do the work if he is assisted by B and C on every third day? I will first explain you the question and then we'll solve. So students, the question says that suppose we are 3 friends and we have to complete a certain task, right? So 2 friends are busy and they cannot be there to complete the task every day. So you are alone. For some days you work alone and then your friends join you after some day. Then again you work alone and then after some day your friends join you for a few days. This question it is saying there is a person A, B and C. A is able to complete the job alone in 20 days, B is able to complete alone in 60 days and C is able to complete the job alone in 60 days. But for some reason, B and C are not there every time. They appear in the scene only on the third day. So it is asking in how many days will they able to complete the entire job if B and C are assisting A on every third day. So suppose A works for 1 day, okay, for 2 days, sorry, and then on third day A is working and B and C have also joined him to work, right? In how many days will it take to complete the work in this fashion, right? How do we start the question is we first find 1 day work of each and every person, right? So A's 1 day work is 1 by 20, B's 1 day work is 1 by 30 and C's 1 day work is A, B and C. C's 1 day work is 1 by 60, right? On day 1 A is coming to do the job. Again on day 2 A is coming, B and C are not coming. B and C are only coming on day 3. So on day 3, this is day 1, this is day 2 and now I will talk about day 3. On day 3, all 3 of them are there. So they will contribute their individual efficiency. 1 by 20 A's work on third day, 1 by 30 B and 1 by 60 C. In this fashion, how many days will they take to complete the job? What is the entire job? Entire job is of completing one work, right? So solve this question. So we have 3 by 20 plus 1 by 30 plus 1 by 60 whole into x is equals to 1. 60 we have 9 plus 2 plus 1 into x is equals to 1. X is equals to 60 upon 12, that is 5. In this fashion, 5 times of this fashion takes to complete the work, 1 unit of work. So how many days in total it take? Day 1, day 2, day 3 and into 5. So 3 into 5. 15 days it will take to complete the job in this fashion. Right? Let us solve next question. Okay. So the next question we have in front of us is, this is also frequently asked. A alone can do a piece of work, 1 unit of work in 6 days and B alone in 8 days. Right? A and B undertook to do it for rupees 3200 with the help of C. They completed the work in 3 days. How much is to be paid to C? Right? This is the question. It says there is a certain job that is 1 unit of job. We don't know. We know it's just a one unit of work. Right? A is able to complete in 6 days. B is able to complete in 8 days. A, B and C are able to complete in 3 days. Where are these information given? The first two information is given in the first line. A alone can do a piece of work in 6 days. B alone can do in 8 days. And then leave this line. With the help of C, they completed the work in 3 days. Right? So A alone is doing in 6 days. B alone is doing in 8 days. A, B and C together are doing in 3 days. Right? Now look at this line. A and B undertook to do it for rupees 3200. It is saying that A and B undertook to complete the job for rupees 3200. Right? Now, how many days will they take to complete the job? A and B together, not C, A and B together. We know 1 day work of both of them. We'll add it and inverse it. So it is 24, 4 plus 3, inverse 24 by 7. Right? Now, they take A, B and C. A, B together take 24 by 7 days to complete one work and they charge 3200. Right? So, 1 day charge of A and B together is 3200 into 7 by 24. Right? There is no problem in it. Now, moving on. Remember this. Now they are saying A, B and C. A, B and C together are able to complete in 3 days. Now we know A alone taking 6 days, B alone taking 8 days. We don't know how much days will C take alone to complete the job. So we have to find it out. How are we finding this? 1 day job of A, 1 day job of B, 1 day job of C, which we don't know, will add together to give 1 day job when they are doing it together. Right? They are completing it together. So in 3 days they are completing the entire job. In 1 day they will complete 1/3 of the job together. Now we will find it out. We know this is equals to 7 by 24 plus 1 by C. Wait a second. Yes, so 1 by 3. 7 by 24 minus 1 by 3 is equals to 1 by C. 24, 7 minus 8 is equals to 1 by C. Don't worry, we don't need to take care of the sign. It gives 1 by 24. So C alone is taking 24 days, right? This is, if the question is how much time will C alone take to complete the job, you will find it this way. But the question says how much is to be paid to C. So now they are completing in 3 days. We know 1 day charge is 3200 into 7 by 24. So 3 days will be 3200 into 7 by 24 into 3. That is 8. Wait a sec. Yes. And then 2800. So rupees 2800 they will charge for 3 days, and they are given total of 3200. So what is the payment of C? 32 minus 2800, that is rupees 400 is your answer. Now we did this entire thing from here just to know how much days will C take alone to do the job. Otherwise we would have jumped from this part to directly to this part. That is, we would have found 3 days 3 days charge of B plus C and subtracted it by 3200. This is what we have done.